Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate average with conditions in Excel. So here suppose you want to calculate average only for the marks that are 50 or above. A normal average formula cannot do this directly. Instead of, we will use the simple function SUMIF and COUNTIF. So let's see how it's used. So first here I show you the normal average formula. I select the cell, use the is equal to, and type here the average. Select the average function. Select the range of data, bracket closed, and enter. Here the average amount is 66.25. Now here I'm going to calculate average with condition. So let's start. So use is equal to, type here SUMIF function. In bracket, select the range of marks. So I select the entire column. Use the comma, double quote, then use the greater than sign, is equal to 50, then double quote, bracket closed, divided by, use your count if function. Select the count if, again select the range of marks, use the comma, double quote, greater than sign is equal to 50, double quote, bracket closed. And now here you can see I set the criteria greater than is equal to 50 because I want Excel to include only values that are 50 or higher. Any value below 50 will be ignored automatically in the both SUMIF and COUNTIF function. Understood? And here enter. And that's it. Here the average with condition is calculated. 50 plus more marks students average here calculated. So here I show you second formula to calculate average with condition. Select the cell is equal to, type here average if function, then select the range of marks, then use the comma, double quote, greater than sign is equal to 50, double quote, and bracket closed, and just enter. Here you can see the same amount here calculate average with condition. So these two formula you can use to calculate average with condition in Excel. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.